In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced search in Google Drive. Whether you're an organizational whiz or someone who tends to accumulate digital clutter, Google Drive's advanced search tools can really streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into it and unleash the full potential of your Google Drive. To begin, you'll want to head over to Google Drive's login page. You can do this by entering Google Drive login into your web browser's search bar and clicking on the official Google Drive sign-in link. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in with your Google account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to create one by following the steps provided on the site. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your Drive homepage, which might be filled with documents, spreadsheets, images, and more. Now, let's locate the search bar, which is conveniently at the top of the page. This search bar will be our primary tool to help narrow down your sprawling collection of files. Give it a click to get started. With the search bar activated, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow on the side, which enables the advanced search options. Click on this arrow, and a panel will unfold, presenting you with several useful filtering tools. These tools are designed to help you pinpoint exactly what you're looking for amidst potentially thousands of files. In this newly opened panel, you can specify various search criteria. One useful option includes filtering by file type, choosing whether you're searching for a document, spreadsheet, presentation, or perhaps a specific type of media file. You can also select the owner field if you're trying to find files shared with you by others or those you own yourself. Additionally, you can leverage date range filters to track down files created or modified during specific time periods. This is especially handy if you remember working on a document during a particular month or year. And let's not forget the keyword search. By entering specific keywords, the search engine will comb through your document titles and contents to find relevant matches. Once you've filled out the necessary fields that pertain to your search, the next step is as simple as hitting the search button. Instantly, Google Drive will display a list of files that match your criteria, allowing you to quickly access what you need. That wraps up our session on using advanced search in Google Drive. With these tools at your fingertips, managing your digital documents can become a much more efficient and less daunting task. Remember, keeping your files organized is key to maintaining productivity in our increasingly digital world. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more tips and tricks to make the most out of your digital tools.